Hi, beautiful people. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a bit since I've made a video. I did my candy lip series and now I'm on to the next. We are gonna be working with an eyelash perming kit. And then after we do the eyelash perm, we're gonna color the eyelashes to make them a lot more visible. I've been doing this for a little bit now. I let my eyelashes grow back out so you guys can see. They're not curled. I have a bunch. I do have eyelashes. They're just not visible anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and please follow step by step, as it's very important to do this correctly because it is your eye we're working with. So I'm going to explain it to you as we go. I hope you guys enjoy. You're going to take the cleanser with a cotton swab and go over eyelashes to remove any products that may be on your eyelashes. Take the glue and apply it to the shield. Make sure you give it a generous amount, and you need to let it sit for a few minutes. Make it nice and tacky before applying it to your lid. This is crucial as the shield will not stay or stick if you don't let it sit. Once applied, get it all nice on the corners, evenly distributed, and have it sit and adhere. You're then going to take the glue again and apply it to the outside of the shield so that your eyelashes can get glued to the shield to give it that curling set. This also, you want to give it a moment and let it get tacky before you start applying your eyelashes to it, or else it won't stay. As you can see, it takes some time. I'm using a tool that actually is for like facialists, and it's very pointy and sharp, but it's the perfect tool because of that point that I can get in and get all the little babies and get it nice and glued to the shield. Next, you're going to want to apply the perming solution. You're going to want to use either a Q-tip or an applicator, or as I'm using, a facialist tool, and you're going to apply it to the base of your eyelashes. Do not take the perming solution too high, as it will loosen your eyelashes with the glue, and you'll have to reattach your eyelashes with more glue. This is crucial also not to get in your eye, as it is perming solution. So do a good judgment and pay attention to where you're applying it. You will need to leave the perming solution on for a minimum of 10 minutes and a maximum of 15 minutes. I usually do 15 minutes as I want them to perm as best as possible. Once your time is up, you'll take a cotton swab and remove the perming solution. Next, you will be applying the setting solution. You will be applying this the exact same way that you did the perming solution. This too, you will need to leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes and a maximum of 15 minutes. I usually do the same amount of time for each so that it's evenly distributed. You're going to take a cotton swab and remove the setting solution. Next, you're going to want to apply your eyelash tint. I buy the black, there is brown, and I want to say other colors you can buy. I want them as dark as possible. I like to use the 1000 Hours brand. I feel it does really good tinting and it doesn't dye my skin, and I just really have had good results with it. You will need to apply this generously by tapping over your eyelashes to get them fully covered. Make sure if you do have long lashes that you go to the top of the shield, or else your tips of your eyelashes won't be dyed. Also making sure you go down to the base of your eyelashes so that those get colored as well. You will want to remove your eyelash tint the same way you've done the perming solution and the setting solution. I suggest you get a few cotton swabs because this takes a little bit more and you need to make sure you remove all of the tint. Here I like to use my sharp little facial tool and I slowly slide it underneath between my eyelashes and the shield and slowly just jiggle it around to loosen up my eyelashes with the glue without ripping my eyelashes out. Please take some time so you don't lose your eyelashes in this process. Once this process is done, take the shield and gently take it off your eyelid, making sure you didn't take any of your eyelashes with it. Then I like to take a spoolie and just lightly go over my eyelashes and separate them, and also help to take the excess glue out of my eyelashes. Here we have the finished result. As you can see, one side has eyelashes and the other side is not visible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I loved helping you with your beauty needs. Please comment or send me any of your info so that I can help you with all of your beauty needs. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, and I look forward to having more experiences with you all.